29th of July. It's a Thursday, and I'm just doing a quick check-in here at the house. Skylights got a little sprinkle tonight. Not a great test of their rainproofness, but so far all the wood looks dry. The exhaust vents for this are starting to get hooked up. This is a horrible clearance. Goodness, this is like 5 feet. I don't know, I'm just not happy with how this HVAC install is going. They didn't plan it out well, and so they're just trying to shove things wherever they can. I'm gonna be redoing a lot of this down here, but that'll be in a year. The other thing I can tell that they're about to do is a drop down from here, over, and up. I mean, it's not a clean installation. I'm honestly not happy with it. I'm not pissed, but it could have been planned out so much better. There's more than enough joist cavities to accommodate everything. That's all for tonight. I have some work to do at my apartment, so just wanted to see how it's going. Hopefully they're wrapped up and out of here so I can move on with electrical this weekend, the 31st. Starting to plan out the electrical install. I'm hoping to do that in the next few days. I need to figure out what size of conduit I need for both of these. So looks like my breaker box is 2.5 and my meter socket is actually 2 3/4. So I'm gonna head to Home Depot, get some of this conduit hardware. I also need to get my 440 entrance cable. I could do 404020 or 404040. If I do aluminum, that'll be more than enough for 200 amps. And I'll need a little bit to go from the service drop down to here, about 12 feet. But then I'll also need a length of about 5 or 6 feet to make it over to the circuit box, the circuit breaker box as well. So I'm gonna go get some materials and bring them back.